I'm going to give you 6 reasons not to be a vegetarian. I'm Clint Grimes. Let's get started. Number 6, low vitamin D. Yes, you can get vitamin D from plant sources and supplements, but there's a certain version of vitamin D, D3, that only comes from animals. Sorry. Be sure to bump up your calcium supplementation if you're cutting out meat because low D levels, which is common among vegetarians and especially vegans, can lead to brittle bones. Low calcium is also a common problem among non-meat eaters. Number 5, not enough zinc. Beef and lamb are 2 of the highest sources of zinc, so it's easy for those who keep these items out of their mouths to not get enough of the mineral that undergirds your immune function. Luckily, the 3rd highest source of the stuff is sunflower seeds. Enjoy the excuse to pop open a bag and crunch some if you're feeling under the weather. Number 4, anemia. Animal proteins are a prime source of iron, which helps your blood cells transport nutrients throughout your body. Low iron levels can lead to a condition called anemia, which makes you fatigued, increases your heart rate, and leaves you more winded from climbing the stairs. Anemia is a common problem for vegetarians, but you can offset your risk of this issue by bulking up on leafy greens, nuts, and soy. Even better, chocolate. 3, anxiety. In 2012, scientists compared the mental health exams of over 240 vegetarians and 240 meat eaters. They found a noticeably higher rate of psych issues among those who didn't consume animal protein. 31% of vegetarians met the criteria for an anxiety disorder, but just 13% of meat-eating folks followed suit. Nutrient deprivation could be one explanation for why there's more anxiety among vegetarians. Number 2, depression. The same study also found that vegetarians were more depressed. 24% of plants-only eaters suffer from the issue compared to 10% of the carnivorous crowd. The researchers reasoned it might have to do with low vitamin B12 levels, which has been linked to depression, and can happen when you're not eating meat, since poultry and 4-legged creatures are prime sources of it. Number 1, eating disorders. Nearly 4% of the vegetarians in the 2012 study said they'd binged, purged, taken diet pills, or severely restricted their food intakes over the course of their lives. Only 0.8% of the meat eaters said the same. Another study found that people who'd received treatment for an eating disorder were 4 times more likely than the general population to never eat meat. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and click on this video to discover 5 non-scale victory indicators. That's it. That's all. See you next time.